the end of this video, you are gonna know ultimate reasons why you need a wedding planning checklist. If you are engaged and planning a wedding, you are gonna need one. In case you don't know who I am, I'm Shanice Banas. I'm a pro organizer, wedding planning expert, and lifestyle blogger for my site, cityofcreativedreams.com. If you want a wedding planning checklist, I got you. Below this video, you can grab free wedding planning checklists, but I'm gonna tell you why you need one. Sounds good? Let's get started. Why do you need one? Weddings are a ball of stress. It is funny how one ring can make you feel so stressed and can turn into action-packed months of getting everything you need to get done and ready. Maybe you have trouble getting organized. Then checklists are going to help you. It is your guide. When you're going to a new destination or a place, or starting a job or a project, what do you need? You need guidance. You need a guide because you can't go anywhere without one or learn anything without one. It is the same for wedding planning. You need directions to planning your wedding. Therefore, having checklists for your wedding planning does that very thing. It is your guide to getting things done. It's your personal assistant. Think about checklists like a personal assistant. People get one because they need a helping hand. Your brain is already racing with things that you need to get done. It feels overwhelming. It feels way over your head. You feel like the mind-blown emoji, and you could use some help. Am I right? Checklists are like having a personal assistant that knows what needs to get done and when you need to get it done. Feel productive. Again, there's so many things that you need to get done, and being organized helps you feel more productive. I don't know about you, but when I get stuff done, I feel good. I really feel good and get those boss lifestyle vibes. I can be honest and say that I feel like Beyonce herself when I get stuff done. Feel like the queen you are. Now that you feel more confident and see progress, guess what happens? You feel more motivated. You feel more motivated. You see all that you're doing and want to cross off more. You want to get more stuff done and accomplish more because you are seeing your progress. When everything is stuck in your head, it feels like you've done nothing at all. You don't see your progress. You think you haven't done anything when you really have. Use a checklist and see your progress to push you forward. Are these reasons on why you need a wedding planning checklist making sense? If so, write love in the comments below this video. Did you get pumped up for wedding planning checklists? Let's talk about where to find them. If you checked out my video, how to plan your wedding using Pinterest, you're going to notice that I'm going to tell you to utilize your Pinterest account for planning your wedding. Well, guess what? You can get wedding planning checklists from Pinterest. There are paid and free ones to get you on the right path. Well, fortunately for you, I am pretty awesome at organizing. It's actually my superpower, which is why I took the time to create a wedding planning checklist just for you. I have spent many hours and time creating the ultimate wedding planning checklist resource area just for you and your wedding. I know that it's hard to plan a wedding, and I want to help you. Also, if you're interested in working together, check out my free wedding planning blueprint and my course, Wedding Planning HQ, to really help you plan your wedding. Grab the link below this video. If you know someone who would love this, share it. Did this video help you? Are you ready to get your wedding planning checklist like I mentioned in this video? Let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.
Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there!